private jet coming in now. We got the number 2 trailing behind.
Here it
In
is.
typical intercept profile, they're going to get him down. We have spoken on our radios to the crews.
Nee, dat is niet raar.
So what you see there now is the jet. It's a Cessna Sovereign, and he's got the 2 fighters right behind him. They're watching that every move. They know that there's danger. They know that people are being held against their will, and they also are not aware of whether there are explosives on.
As jy plyn hostage vat, die plyn gaan nie so ordentlik ry en vlieg nie.
En hij is hier vinnig weg. Ja, dat ik nou maar. Dus die dit opvang. Nee.
Why am I being forced to land? You want to execute these hostages. I will start killing people because the people are by the boat. Is that very clear? Why am I forced to land? Enrico, stand by. I'm trying to sort out what's going on. Be calm. Please, be calm.
Kan nou actually die plyn skiet. Dit sal cool wees.
The negotiators, you talk to this guy, if something goes wrong.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Enrico? We were coming down to refuel. There's not sufficient fuel to fly where you need to go. Let's get it clear. I don't want police, anyone. The refueler alone. That's what I want. Understand me, and understand it very clear. Gotcha. Enrico, I'll stand by. I'll get back to you. Right, so there's the aircraft that has been hijacked. It's now been forced down here, low on fuel, hijackers on board. It's enough to spoil any air hostess today. The 2 fighters have We've got a large number of the police are treating this very, very serious. They've scrambled the helicopters out behind Kitsia, the national heliport. We've got members of the police task force. We've got members of NIU, TRT, public order policing, K9, the explosives, the bomb disposal. They were all here at Waterkloof already. So here now, this is the Cessna Sovereign, the hijacked aircraft. And so typical of hijackers, when they took the aircraft, they thought it will help to put some stickers on, to change the identity, to make it easy. So what we're doing now is we're turning this aircraft. They've just told the commander to turn the aircraft. We've got police drones here. The police drones are going to also get airborne. So now you're going to see absolutely everything. The drones will be getting airborne shortly. And immediately now the vehicles will move into So this is public order policing. The Nayala that they're using in the front, one of the older Nayalas. And then we've got one of our brand new Nayalas over here. Right, so the air hostess has been ordered to take out that package. It looks like that's where the problem is.
Enrico, can you hear me? It's clogged up. The package that we brought out, you know where you go. We can wipe the entire country from the face of the earth. Now. Listen, Enrico, if everyone is for the coin, I hear some screaming in the back. They are alright for now. For now they are alright. It depends on you.
So moved into a position there. We've got from public order policing, Nayala number 1, Nayala 2. The K9 guys coming in. The dog that we've got on board here is fully trained to detect any form of explosives. Watch that dog closely. Dog handler goes, opens the door, gets the dog, keeps him on his leash. He's going to walk him, he goes with him on the leash. Watch the dog. If there's any form of explosive, the dog is going to show the handler that there is a serious threat. Immediately sits down, threat is there. Handler's going to say thank you to the dog and immediately get back. If radio pops down back to the dog, oh, there you are, lovely round of applause for the dog that found the bomb. Now we bring in the bomb disposal unit.
Hy springstofeenheid, die bomopruimingseenheid wat inbeweeg. Die hond wat die pakkie positief geïdentifiseer het, onmiddellik gaan sit soos wat hy opgelei is. Gewys het dat daar is iets verdags in daardie sak wat neergesit is.
So I've just heard the Talani, Captain Talani Nietlin. She's the commander of one of our police helicopters. It's a Squirrel. She's been cleared for 8,000 foot. She's got specialized members on board from the task force, South African Police Service Task Force. Nicky van der Berg on the approach now. And he has one of the guys from the explosives unit. Bomb disposal, the guy's completely kitted up. He's on the hoist. There are now things happening all over the show here. Bomb disposal have moved into a strategic position. Nicky van der Berg in Squirrel number 2. It's an H-125 helicopter.
Terwyl die aksies so besig is, word daar voortdurend deur die 2 DJI Inspire 2 hommeltuie terugvoer gegee, direkte kamera link wat hulle het direk na die opskommander toe.
So Christo, what we're doing now is we're lowering that member. Now people wonder why are we doing this? Well, it's because it's inhospitable terrain. So that's why we're making use of our hoist. The ALIO, the Airborne Law Enforcement Officer, that's his name, working with Talani. Let's see who it is. No, I don't have his name. They're just checking here quickly. Sergeant Mulaleke.